Welcome to the thrilling world of online gaming and esports. Whether you're a seasoned gamer or just starting out, there's no denying the excitement and potential that comes with this rapidly growing industry. In this video, we'll explore how you can not only enjoy your favorite games but also earn money while doing it. That's right, you can turn your passion for gaming into a profitable venture. So grab your controller or keyboard, and let's dive into the world of earning from online gaming and esports. What is esports? What exactly is esports? Think of it as competitive gaming taken to a whole new level. Esports, short for electronic sports, refers to organized competitions where professional gamers come together to showcase their skills and compete against each other in popular video games. These events can range from small local tournaments to massive international championships with millions of dollars in prize money up for grabs. One of the key aspects that sets esports apart is its dedicated fanbase. Just like traditional sports, esports enthusiasts gather both online and offline to watch their favorite teams go head-to-head. Streaming platforms such as Twitch have played a significant role in amplifying the popularity of esports by providing live coverage and allowing viewers to interact with their favorite players. Esports has also become a global phenomenon, attracting players and audiences from all corners of the world. Games like League of Legends, Dota 2, Counter-Strike, Global Offensive, CS, Go, Overwatch, and Fortnite have become synonymous with competitive gaming. The rise of esports has not only created opportunities for professional gamers but also opened doors for individuals interested in various roles within the industry. From shoutcasters who provide live commentary during matches to coaches who guide teams towards victory, there are numerous career paths available. In conclusion, esports represents an exciting fusion between technology and entertainment that has captivated millions around the globe. Whether you aspire to be a pro gamer or want to be involved on the business side of things, this dynamic industry offers endless possibilities for those willing to put in the time and effort. So why not join in on this electrifying journey? Strap yourself in because we're just getting started. How to get started in online gaming? Are you ready to dive into the exciting world of online gaming? Here are some tips on how to get started and make your mark in this rapidly growing industry. 1. Choose your game. The first step is finding a game that suits your interests and skills. Whether it's a popular multiplayer shooter, a strategy game, or a competitive battle royale, there's something for everyone. 2. Practice makes perfect. Once you've chosen your game, it's time to start practicing. Like any skill, online gaming requires practice and dedication. Take the time to learn the mechanics, strategies, and nuances of the game. 3. Join an online community. One of the best ways to improve as a gamer is by joining an online community or forum dedicated to your chosen game. Engage with other players, ask questions, seek advice, and share experiences. 4. Invest in quality equipment. While you can start with basic equipment like a decent computer or console and reliable internet connection, investing in quality gear can enhance your gaming experience. 5. Stream your gameplay. If you're interested in sharing your gaming journey with others while potentially earning money through sponsorships or donations from viewers on platforms like Twitch or YouTube gaming, remember that success in online gaming takes time and effort. Don't get discouraged if progress feels slow at first. The benefits of earning from online gaming. The benefits of earning from online gaming are vast and varied. For starters, it provides a unique opportunity to turn your passion into a lucrative career. By honing your skills in popular games, you can compete against other players and potentially earn substantial prize money. Furthermore, earning from online gaming allows for flexible working hours and the freedom to work from anywhere with an internet connection. This means that you can create your own schedule and have more control over how you spend your time. In addition to financial rewards, there are also numerous personal development benefits associated with earning from online gaming. It requires discipline, perseverance, and strategic thinking qualities that can be applied in various aspects of life. Moreover, being involved in the esports industry opens up doors to networking opportunities with like-minded individuals who share the same passion. You can build connections with fellow gamers, potential sponsors, or even game developers themselves. As esports continues to gain mainstream recognition and popularity worldwide, there is great potential for growth within the industry. By establishing yourself as a skilled player or content creator early on, you position yourself for long-term success and potential partnerships or sponsorships down the line. Earning from online gaming offers not only financial rewards but also personal growth opportunities and exciting prospects within the rapidly expanding esports industry. So why not take advantage of this burgeoning field? The possibilities are endless. The best games to make money from. The gaming industry has evolved significantly over the years, and now it's not just a hobby but also a way to make money. With the rise of esports, competitive gaming has become a lucrative career option for many gamers. If you're looking to earn some extra cash from your online gaming skills, here are some of the best games to consider. First up is Fortnite. This battle royale game has taken the world by storm with its fast-paced gameplay and vibrant visuals. Not only can you compete in tournaments for prize money, but you can also monetize your skills through streaming platforms like Twitch or YouTube. Another popular game for earning money is League of Legends, LoL. As one of the most played MOBA games globally, LoL offers numerous opportunities for players to participate in professional leagues and win big prizes. Additionally, streamers who excel at LoL often attract sponsorships and donations from their followers. Counter-Strike, Global Offensive, CS::GO, is a first-person shooter that has a thriving esports scene. Many professional teams compete in tournaments worldwide where they have the chance to win substantial cash prizes. CS::GO skins trading is another avenue where players can earn real money by selling rare weapon skins on various marketplaces. If strategy-based games are more your style, then Dota 2 might be worth exploring. This multiplayer online battle arena game boasts an enormous prize pool during its annual tournament called the International. Successful Dota 2 players can earn significant amounts of money from winning competitions and securing sponsorships. Hearthstone is a digital collectible card game that offers opportunities for both casual play and competitive esports events. Skilled players can participate in official tournaments organized by Blizzard Entertainment or try their hand at streaming their gameplay for additional income streams. These are just a few examples of games that offer potential earnings within the online gaming industry. However, keep in mind that becoming successful requires dedication, practice, and perseverance. So, if you have the skills and passion for gaming, there's no how to become an esports pro. How to become an esports pro. Becoming a professional esports player takes dedication, skill, and a deep understanding of the game you love. Here are some steps to help you on your journey towards becoming an esports pro. 1. Choose your game. First and foremost, find a game that you enjoy playing and have a natural talent for. Whether it's League of Legends, Counter-Strike, Global Offensive, or Fortnite, focus on mastering one game rather than spreading yourself too thin across multiple titles. 2. Practice regularly. Consistent practice is key to improving your skills and knowledge of the game. Set aside dedicated time each day to play and learn from your experiences. Joining online communities or finding teammates can also enhance your learning process. 3. Study strategies. Watch professional matches and study how top players approach different situations in the game. Analyze their movements, decision-making processes, and team coordination strategies to gain insights that can improve your own gameplay. 4. Build connections. Networking is crucial in the esports industry as it allows you to connect with other players, coaches, sponsors, and potential teammates who can support your growth as a player. 5. Compete in tournaments. Participate in local tournaments or online competitions regularly to gain experience competing against other skilled players outside of casual matchmaking games. 6. Dedicate yourself mentally and physically. Maintain mental resilience by staying focused during intense matches while also taking care of your physical health through regular exercise and balanced nutrition. 7. Seek professional guidance. Consider working with coaches who specialize in esports training. They can provide personalized guidance tailored specifically for your needs, detecting areas where improvement is needed, and helping develop strategies for success. Remember that becoming an esports pro requires perseverance. Success won't happen overnight. Invest time into honing skills, surround yourself with supportive individuals, and never lose sight of why you started this journey. Conclusion. In this fast-paced digital age, online gaming and esports have emerged as lucrative avenues for earning money while indulging in a passion. Whether you're an experienced gamer or just starting out, there are countless opportunities to turn your skills into a profitable venture. Esports, with its professional competitive gaming scene, offers immense potential for those looking to make it big. By honing your skills, participating in tournaments and leagues, and building a strong online presence, you can attract sponsorships and secure contracts with major esports organizations. But even if becoming an esports pro isn't your ultimate goal, there are still plenty of ways to earn from online gaming. Platforms like Twitch allow gamers to monetize their gameplay by streaming live content and engaging with fans through donations and subscriptions. Additionally, creating YouTube videos showcasing game walkthroughs or providing insightful commentary can generate income through ad revenue. When it comes to choosing the best games for making money online, popular titles like Fortnite, League of Legends, LoL, Dota 2, Counter-Strike, Global Offensive, CS, Go, and Overwatch offer ample opportunities due to their large player bases and dedicated fan communities. Becoming successful in the world of online gaming requires dedication, perseverance, and continuous improvement. It's important to invest time in practicing your skills, researching strategies employed by top players, and staying up to date on emerging trends within the industry. Remember that earning from online gaming is not guaranteed overnight success. It takes hard work, sacrifice, and a genuine love for the game. Instead of viewing it solely as a means of making money, focus on enjoying the journey, to ensure longevity in this competitive field. So whether you aspire to be an esports champion or simply want to supplement your income through casual streaming or content creation, enjoying what you do is key. Above all else, having fun should remain at the heart of every gaming endeavor. Embrace the power of technology, enjoy the thrill of online gaming, and explore the possibilities that can turn your passion into a